Have you ever wondered about the creatures that inhabit the deep sea, unseen and often misunderstood? Meet the phylum Porifera, more commonly known as sponges. These organisms are exclusively aquatic, thriving mostly in marine settings. Sponges are unique in that they possess a cellular grade of organization, lacking well-defined tissues and organs. Remarkably, they are sessile and sedentary, anchored firmly like plants throughout their existence. In the depths of our oceans, these simple yet fascinating creatures play a crucial role. Let's dive deeper into their world. Imagine a creature whose body is a series of channels and chambers, a living filter feeding system. Sponges belonging to phylum Porifera are fascinating organisms with bodies that can be either asymmetrical or radially symmetrical, often resembling shapes like vases or cylinders. Their structure is simple yet highly specialized for their sedentary lifestyle. The surface of a sponge is dotted with numerous tiny pores known as ostia. Water enters the sponge body through these pores, carrying microscopic particles of food. Inside, the water is directed through a labyrinth of canals and chambers, finally exiting through larger openings called oscula. Sponges possess a unique skeletal framework composed of materials such as spongin fibers, siliceous spicules, or calcareous spicules. These elements provide structural support and protection. Lining the internal cavities are choanocytes or collar cells, which play a crucial role in nutrient absorption and digestion through their whip-like flagella, creating water currents essential for feeding. This intricate system of pores and channels not only helps sponges feed but also breathe and excrete, all without moving from their spot. What if I told you that sponges can regenerate almost any part of their body and have a unique approach to reproduction? Indeed, these creatures are masters of both asexual and sexual reproductive strategies. Asexually, sponges can reproduce by budding off parts of themselves or through the formation of gemmules, which are tough, dormant clusters of cells that can survive adverse conditions. On the sexual front, sponges produce both eggs and sperm. Despite lacking specialized reproductive organs, fertilization occurs internally, often with the help of water currents for the distribution of sperm. Moreover, sponges possess an extraordinary ability to regenerate lost parts, a trait that not only aids in their survival, but also contributes significantly to their population growth. Sponges might not have brains or sensory organs as we know them, but their survival strategies are as sophisticated as they are effective. Sponges are more than just underwater inhabitants. They are vital players in the marine ecosystem. Acting as nature's water filters, these organisms play a crucial role in purifying the ocean's waters. They draw in vast quantities of water, trapping bacteria, tiny particles of food, and even organic waste. This not only cleans the water, but also aids in controlling bacterial populations, which can prevent disease outbreaks among marine life. Moreover, the intricate network of channels and cavities in sponges provides a sanctuary for a myriad of small marine creatures. By offering shelter and breeding grounds, sponges contribute significantly to the biodiversity of their habitats. They are also integral to the nutrient cycles in marine ecosystems, processing and recycling nutrients that are vital for ocean health. Though often overlooked, sponges are key to maintaining the health and stability of marine environments. Their simple structure belies a complex and vital existence that underscores the wonder of a